Hi everybody, it's Brad here from Dante Armsec, and I apologise. Basically, the last 4 years, I think, I've kind of been out of action. As you can see, growing a beard, going grey, and I've actually just moved. So the reason for this update is to let you know that I will be back. I am sorting everything out, just moved house, and yeah, well, my studio, as you can see behind me, is a bit of a tip. If I just turn the camera around. So just to give you a sort of update of where we are at, I've got all this to sort through. I've then got a loft back at the other house that I need to go through. That's got basically everything that you saw, the racking, all the products. My son's JR racing chair and his X-Rocker gaming chair. Don't know where they're going to go yet. My Inti chair, it's a bit battered, to be honest with you. But as far as I'm aware, the LEDs around the outside still work. And yeah, I've got cables galore down there, hard drives galore in there, cables in there, Rode microphone, another microphone, more boxes, obviously umbrellas for the lighting equipment, that out the way, and I've got all that to sort through, which goes into the back of that, which that needs some sorting out. The speakers, so they're the M Audio BX4s, they're the studio speakers that I use. Both my 34 inch gaming monitors. Yeah, they all need to be sorted out. So the plan of action is block up that window. No, actually a 65 inch telly going up there. Desk all across there, which I've got to build because it's about 100. It's about 100 wide. And that desk there is only 79 inches. That's 100. Which is going to be a pain. So what I'm thinking is a black top. I'm going to carve it out, LEDs in it with another top on top. And then basically I was going to go heavy duty metal legs, but I'm actually going to go pallets, cut them down so I can slide the chair in, storage up the side either end, storage across the back, lights underneath, and then yeah, I've got to do something with the floor because that is knackered. One plug socket. Yeah, thanks. So, plan of action is I've got high-speed internet in the conservatory. Going to run that in. Fuse box is going to go up in that corner. So, armoured cable from the side of the house in up into that corner. New fuse box. 8 double sockets, mainly 3 over here. So, I'm going to have about 6. Actually, I might go 4 double sockets over here. So, I've got 8 sockets here. 2 doubles there. 2 doubles there. Roof is absolutely naff. Got to sort that out. Got to take that off. Got to sort that all out. So I'm going to board that. Beautiful, beautiful pink wall. That's going. And yeah, and then obviously all the racking across the back there, lighting. So what's good about this, I could literally put all my lighting on these beams here. That's the plan anyway. Got to do something with the roof. The roof's knackered. The sides are knackered. Look. Absolutely shot to pieces up there. Yeah, a lot of work. But yeah, that's basically going to be my new studio. I'm going to be streaming for some time, trying to get everything in, trying to get everything sorted out. It's going to be a bit of a process with work. Doing the house up, literally I've spent a week painting the whole downstairs, putting paneling on, moved in Saturday. Yeah, built everything, and yeah, got to go through boxes. But yeah, that's going to be it. So there is the new studio, considerably smaller than the lounge that I had at the other house before I had a kid, before I got married. Yeah, a lot's gone on in 4 years. I won't update it all here, but if you want to join me for my live streams, find out, jump on over to my Discord. It is on my channel. It's linked in the description below. I've got to edit this because obviously 4 years, I've got fat as well, haven't I? Yeah, so wish me best of luck, guys. If you want to follow along, ask for photos, it'll be up all on Facebook. I might do some shorts, but yeah, getting everything in. That is some awful wiring, look at that. Whoever wired that up needs shooting. There's no earth. You should see inside the house actually, all the lights are up. I'm going to replace them, there's no way for those either. Well, there is, just not connected. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of a slog, guys, but obviously apologies for 4 years away. I am coming back. I'm going to be streaming. When I'm streaming, it's going to be Fortnite, it's going to be COD, maybe a bit of Final Fantasy if I can be bothered, or whatever other games come out. I've got some others to test, which is actually quite fun. I've got back in touch with some developers and some publishers. They've sent me a couple of things over. I'm under NDAs at the moment, but I am going to be speaking to them to say, look, can I do some early game releases? Like I did with Generation Zero and obviously Tom Clancy's Division 2. They might actually give me some codes to give away so you can get the games if you like it. I'll do like a giveaway winners type affair that I did before. Yeah, and saying that, I need to clean out the computer case because that is an absolute state. Look at that. Zoom out. It is filthy. She filthy. But yeah, got to sort that out. Oh, and a streaming computer, so I need a case. I'm gonna go with a Ryzen, I think it's somewhere around here. Was it a Ryzen 3? Let me have a look. Ryzen 3 3100 in the streaming computer, because I've got an Avira 4K capture card in one of the many boxes I've got down there somewhere. So I'll be streaming to all platforms, capture card, separate streaming computer. Just need to get a case. I've got a motherboard actually. It's an X570 ROG Strix. So yeah, new graphics card. I've got to get one of those because mine are a bit out of date. But still do play very well. You know, about 100 FPS in COD if you chuck everything down low. So yeah, I will be back, guys. It's going to be a struggle. It's going to be a long haul, but I will see you guys on the other side.